Ziribam to Imphal Railway Line Project asi athuba matamda loishinnaba amadi state asibu mahausagi punsida hanjilaknaba foreign narco terrorists sing amadi lamdam asidagi tokhaina taningba singi mathakta India lengauna akanba thabak lokhat pinaba Rajya Sabhagi MP Leishemba Sanajaoba Parliament ta taksinkhre ngasigi Parliament mifamge 0 matamda MP Sanajaoba Ziribam to Imphal Railway Line Project athuba matamda loishinbina wafam pukhatladuna state asida hauzik thoklibe irang manung asida tampakta leiriba mioi lak kun romdi National Highway singi kuthangda state asigi mapalda chatpangamdri airfare ge changsu wangkhibana miyamna flight ta chatnaba hotnabada sel thumgi khudong chadaba kaya mayoknari masigi mathakta cheng hawai amadi nongwada changdaba yadraba potlam singi mamal atiya pakna wangli maramasana railway na hairiba khudong chadaba sing ase loishinnabagi amata ngaraba pambai oiri haiki state asida leiriba irang ase lakshinnaba phanakana hotnarabasu miyamda nongmai kap tharakpa makhal kayagi attack sing chatharakpa mara leizadaba micham phaba punba amadi National Highway sing da namduna sel khaibagi thabak sing haujiksu leptana chathari micham miyamgi punsi amadi lanthom ngak senana hotnabada illegal immigrants sing adugi makhutta thongna leiriba jawan kaya thawai thari kaya amana asok apan nangli illegal immigrant sing asana mapa leibak singi matenga loinana leiba asigi mathakta tasengna lal chathari maramasana state asibo mahusagi punsida hanjilaknaba amadi National Highway singda miyamna mahusagum chathok chasin yahannaba India lengangna foreign narco terrorist sing amadi lamdam asidagi tokhaina taningba singi mathakta akanba thabak lokhatkadabani haina MP Sanajaoba taksinki
Railway has become the only alternative means to resolve all these problems in spite of state and central government's effort to curb the situation in the state and along the national highways. Unprovoked firing, attacks, killings and abduction of innocent peoples and extortion along the national highways are being carried out to save the lives and the properties of the civilian. Many brave Jawans have become martyrs and many are injured in the hands of these illegal immigrants. They are really waging wars against the nation with the help of foreign hands or countries. So instead of doing impeachment policy and before it is too late, the government of India with an iron hand should act upon these foreign narco terrorists or separatists to restore normalcy in the state as well as along the national highways and complete the Ziribam Imphal Railway Line project positively by 2025 or at the earliest.